Hey, this cleaner just bought a brand new van and a brand new Profire setup. And we as cleaners all know how expensive that is. So the last thing you want to do is shortcut when it comes to having a heater in there if you're in an area where you might have cold winter temperatures that can cause freezing temperatures, which can lead to heat exchangers breaking or having fractures in them that show up sometime in the summertime. Well, to make a long story short, basically that could be a $5,000 plus repair bill if you do not have a heater inside your truck, and you can't always rely on electricity. So what can you do? Well, we like to take and put these little compact diesel heaters in all of our trucks. And I'm telling you what, they're easy to use, they're powerful, they'll last for a couple of nights, they're compact, and it comes with a little tube here. You can angle this tube towards the machine. We're going to take this, put it right behind the hose reel right there. You can angle this, blow the heat right onto the truck mount. It exhausts down below, just have to make a little hole in the bottom of it. And hook it up to your battery and you're good to go. So right now I'm going to go ahead and take the time, have Ed install it, and you're going to get a good close look and know how to put it inside your truck if you want one. Plus, we're going to have a link down inside the description, and don't forget to like, subscribe, ring that bell, and leave a comment. Okay, so we figured out we're going to install it back here. We'll slide it back in here, but I wanted you to see something that's really unique, because you're probably wondering, hey, what about on those cold days? I have to open up, have to climb up in there every time? No, guess what? It's got a remote control, so you can control it from here. And we just leave it on the lowest settings. Of course, we're here in Virginia Beach, and Virginia Beach generally only gets down into the 20s. But you might want to run it a little bit higher, so it is adjustable, and you can also adjust it right from the remote. So I can't overemphasize how important it is to either winterize or have a heater inside your truck or have a diesel heater. If you haven't seen my video, basically how to heat your truck mount, just go to TruckMountForums, put winter inside of the YouTube channel, and you'll be able to see that video. Watch that video, because remember, downtime is a killer. The last thing you want to happen is to break a heat exchanger, which might cost you thousands of dollars. And with repair shops being so far behind now, you could also be down for 2 to 4 weeks. Now, can you really afford that? No. So basically, for something like this, it's very inexpensive. Get the link down in there, get yourself one, and you'll really be happy.